right, welcome to Board and Brush Redlands. I'm Donna Hoffman, the owner. We're right on Tennessee Street, close to downtown. Come on in and see the studio. Now I'm just going to spend a few minutes telling you what we do here. So our 3-hour workshops where you can make the signs that you see on the wall are a great way to have girls' night out or date night and add a little beer and wine to make it even more fun. So what happens at a workshop? Well, you take this raw piece of wood or pieces of wood and go from there to a finished product like this, which involves distressing and sanding, staining, painting, and ending up with a project that you'd like for your home. The best part is everybody in the workshop can make something different. You don't have to make the same thing, and you get to choose your own stains and colors. So the project that you make goes great in your house or maybe as a gift. We have great gift ideas. We also offer private events in the studio, which are great for team building or corporate events, and of course parties. Birthday parties are a lot of fun here, and bridal showers, anniversary showers, any private party event you'd like, you can have it right here. Option for us now are at-home kits. So if you want to have your own little private party at home, or especially if you want to do something with your kids, these are great craft projects that come with the board already stained for you and distressed, and then you can order any stencil you want. There's over 100 designs available, and you can get paint or use paint that you have at home to do it. And it's a really fun project and it'd be great for a children's birthday party. You just buy kits for everybody, and then you've got a fun time right in the bag. We also have backyard games now, including backyard tower, backyard dice, dominoes, and tic-tac-toe. And you can just order those and we'll pre-make them for you, or look for workshops in the future where you can come in and make them yourself. Thanks for stopping by Board and Brush Creative Studio. If you want to know how to register for one of our workshops, just go online, boardandbrush.com/Redlands, and there'll be a calendar there similar to this but digital. And just click on it and register online, pay online. You have to do it in advance so we can cut your stencil for you and have it ready. But that's it, it's pretty easy. Then you come and you have a night or day of fun with your friends. Have a little glass of wine or mimosas if it's a Saturday or Sunday, and we look forward to seeing you soon.